there, I hope that you're all keeping well. Before I get onto MTD's top 5 videos this week, I just want to say there's an amazing competition and prize up for grabs for this awesome cycle time challenge. The team will be going live Tuesday at 12 PM on Facebook and YouTube at StarGB. Get involved and make sure to submit your guesses to be in with a chance to win this incredible prize. I actually do know the answer, and I'll give you a clue. It's more than a minute and less than a day. You can thank me later for that one. That was an awful clue, by the way. Anyways, this week's top 5 MTD videos are as follows. So, in no particular order, we have in at number 1, so why is this VMC so good? In at number 2, we've got is for sale this DMG MORI UK, this NHX4000 with added automation. Number 3, we've got Biglia B438 now available with 2 Y-axes. Number 4 is One Honor VL125CM wasn't enough. And finally we have get this HAIMER Tool Dynamic balancing machine now ex stock. So all the links to the full videos are in the descriptions. Make sure to check them out and let me know exactly what you think. Our top 10 articles this week. Social highlights this week. We have received 159,200 impressions on LinkedIn. So thank you so much for supporting and following us on LinkedIn. Great stuff. Anyway, thanks for listening. Remember to subscribe, follow and like MTDCNC, and I'll see you next week for another Week in Review.